from me to we, the strength of supporting each other. Community is where life happens. It's where we find connection, strength, and belonging. When we come together, we remind ourselves of a simple truth. We are stronger together than we could ever be alone. Imagine what happens when individuals come together for a common goal. It's not just about what we accomplish, it's about the bonds we create, the lives we touch, and the hope we bring into the world. Together we build something greater than ourselves. In moments of challenge, it's our sense of community that carries us forward. One hand becomes many. One voice becomes a chorus. We find courage in each other and we rise, not as individuals, but as a united force. Support isn't just about big gestures. It's in the small, quiet moments. It's showing up, cheering someone on, lending a hand. These acts of care ripple outward, touching lives we may never even see, leaving behind a legacy of kindness and connection. When we stand together, we remind the world of the power of unity. It's more than collaboration. It's a shared belief that no dream is out of reach when we lift each other up. Unity doesn't just change our communities, it changes lives. Community isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a promise. It's the assurance that no one has to walk alone. Together, we're creating a future where hope thrives, where every voice matters, and where everyone belongs. So, how will you make a difference today? It doesn't have to be big, it must be from the heart. Share your ideas or stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to strengthen the communities we call home. Let's build a world where community isn't just something we talk about. It's something we live every day. Thank you for being part of this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue building a community of hope and action together.